Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for February of 2023. Let's go ahead and get right into this. This box is actually pretty trash, so hopefully nothing's broke, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So let's see what's in here. So this is what the box looks like. This is actually just the base box. They did send me an extra item, they said, since I've been a charmer for, I don't know, like a really, really long time, like around the first time when they first came out. So I've been subscribed to BoxyCharm for a very, very long time. So I don't see the card in here, actually. Okay, where's the card? I'm not seeing the card. Yeah, it doesn't look like they sent me a card with it, so I don't know how much this stuff retails for. I'll have to look it up. So the first thing that's in the box is this right here. It is a tinted face oil, and it is by this brand right there. So let's go ahead and see. It is in the tone 02. And this is what it looks like. It's freezing cold because it's snowing outside and I just got it out of my mailbox. So let's try to put a little dot like that. So it's almost like no tone whatsoever. So you can see it kind of goes into nothing, and you can tell it is like a super oily tint, which that's what it does say. It is a face oil, and it feels like a face, like an oil. So that's the first thing. The second thing that's in the box is this right here, and this is the Brow MVP, and it's Fenty by Rihanna. And I got the shade light brown, which actually could use a new brow pencil right now. So this is really nice. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, the whole thing fell out. So you can push it up and down, swirling this. And then it has this little brush right here at the bottom, which is to kind of brush it in. So I'll be reviewing this later on my channel. The next thing that's in the box is this right here. This is the next product right here. It is a glam palette. Let's go ahead and open it up. So this is what it looks like. It does have a mirror. This is what all the colors look like. This is definitely not my cup of tea. I would probably like wear these in more neutral shades, like maybe this one, and this one, but I really don't see me using a lot of the other shades. Maybe the glitters. I'd probably use those. Oops, I just tore out a piece. So as you can see, accidentally got it with my nail. They seem like they're, I mean, good shades. That one kind of seems a little chalky. Let's see. This is a shade that I'd probably use. See, that one's nice. That'd be a great, like, all over the eyeshadow. So I'll probably keep this just for those few shades that I would actually use. So that's that. The next thing in the box is this right here, and it is hydrating toner, lotion, tonic, hydrate. And it is by that brand right there. I think it's Murad. I think that's how you say that. I've tried other things by this brand before, and I really like this brand, so I'm excited to try this. So this is toner. So you want to apply this after applying your, after washing your face and everything. You'll use this, and then you'll apply your serums and lotions. So that's your first step right there. Let me see if it adds any smell or anything. Some of them have good smells. This does have a slight smell. I can't think of what it smells like though. It's just a very clean, like a very light scent. You can see it looks like it's been in the fridge because it's freezing cold. I actually like the smell of that. So that was the fourth thing that was in the box. This is what's next, and this is, so these are exfoliating little pads to clean off your face, which is nice. So you can wash your face, go over with this, then spray this, and that's a really good little set right there. Yeah, so that's what this product right here. I think I have maybe one more product left, which is this right here. Definitely not my cup of tea. It's like a very pink color. I'm not really big on pinks. I can't believe it didn't come with a thing to say the prices. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Maybe I'll change my mind since I'm wearing like pinks eyeshadows, pinkish tones. That is a horrible shade. So yes, not really a good shade. Definitely would probably never wear this. It's just way too much. It's not a good shade, I don't think. I mean, maybe if you're really fair, this would look nice, but I don't really like this. So I'd probably never wear this, to be honest with you, but that's what the shade looks like. I like the brand though, but just not the shade. But yeah, I have no clue how much this is, so I'm going to calculate it out and I'll post it right now. Okay, so the total value of this month's box, from what I could tell from what I looked up, was $208.99, which wasn't bad. And I do want to add, if you end up getting this and this together in the shades Hideous, this oil actually helps take it off really, really well. So that's one thing that this product is good for, is taking off liquid lipsticks. It took it off without any problems, so that was a bonus. So that is the total value of this month's box. This box wasn't really that great. The only thing that I really liked was these two products right here would probably be my favorite. I think these, I'll probably use these. I don't think this is really going to do much for you at all, unless you just want to use it as like a serum, but it's not going to give you really good coverage. It kind of fades into nothing. So if you're looking for like a tinted moisturizer, this is definitely not it. It's tinted oil, but it's still that color that's in here turns into absolutely nothing. So if that's what you're looking for, you're probably not going to like this. Wasn't really impressed by this palette. Like I said, the only shades that I'll probably wear is this one and this one. This one, maybe this one, is an eyeliner. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.